can make a simple hair cleansing routine which is extremely efficient. So today we are using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo for the same, and every time I use it, it leaves my hair nourished. So let's get started. After wetting your hair well, take some shampoo on your palms and work it into a lather. Now, apply this onto your scalp and the lengths of your hair. You can use some more on the parts of your hair that require more cleansing. Use wet hands to work the shampoo well, making sure to massage well as you go. Be very gentle with your application, making sure that you don't tug or rub your hair. Follow this simple process similarly with a good conditioner too. And now you have the perfect set routine for your hair care. That's it, a two-step process for healthy and clean hair.